Appliance Factory and Mattress Kingdom, the nation's largest discount appliance dealer. Visit our website for deals and store locations near you.
Hey guys, this is Travis from AFMK. If you have a GE dishwasher and you have a problem that looks something like this, I'd like to go over a quick video to show you how easily you can fix this. We're gonna start with super glue. Very easy, versatile, and that's all we're gonna need for a situation like this. The main thing you wanna watch out for when you're looking at this is you wanna make sure your control board is actually undamaged. Now what we have is a bunch of seals and small pegs that sit inside of this unit. Now sometimes due to stress or moving, those will snap off. As you can see up here, this one broke right there. The good news is, all you need is some super glue to fix it because we're not dealing with a lot of technical stuff right here. So all we're gonna do is right along this plastic piece here, as you can see, the inner part of the control board. We're just gonna get some dabs of glue. You're really not gonna need much. Just a little bit here, a little bit there, and we'll come along the edge as well. Make sure we have a decent coating, but not too thick. And then you just give it a nice little press. Now obviously the glue that you're using is gonna make a difference, so make sure you read those instructions to know how long to hold it or if it's gonna need extra dry time. With this, it has a pretty good set time. As you can see, this part's sitting down a little bit better. We do have a little bit back here we should still work on. But it's always good to start light and then add more as opposed to overloading the glue on there. So we'll add a bit more over here. Perfect. Now problems like this they're very common, and like I was saying, you want to as long as you're making sure the control board under here is fine, you're not going to experience any issues by adding some glue or any type of adhesive here. This is just a plastic piece that goes around. Now if you have any damage actually on the board here, on the top in your control panels, you see any issues with the wiring, at that point we would recommend maybe replacing that control panel. As you can see here, it's just nice and set. It's not gonna go anywhere. This also isn't really a piece that gets moved a lot, so you shouldn't experience multiple issues with it, but sometimes during moving or opening the door and hitting something, you can experience small problems like this. Once again, this is how you fix a GE panel if it's snapped up, your top control panels, just a little bit of super glue and some time. If you found this video helpful and you're looking for more tips and tricks on how to maintain your appliances, please like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you.